Hi class, in this video I'm going to be talking about integers and how to compare and order them. So integers are numbers that you get when you skip count by 1, and it includes positive numbers, the number 0, and negative numbers. So for example, if I start at -5 and I start skip counting by 1, as I move to the right I'm going to get -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. As your numbers get bigger as you move more to the right side, and your numbers get smaller as you move more to the left side. So besides a number line like this, which is as you move to the right, you get bigger, and as you move to the left, you get smaller, there are also number lines that are vertical, so up and down. So as you move more up, you're going to get a bigger number. And as you move more down, you're going to get a smaller number. Think of it like I guess, sea level. As you move up, you're getting above sea level, and as you move down, you're getting below sea level. So 0 is your neutral point, and as I move up, my numbers are getting much larger, and as I move down, my numbers are getting just a tad bit smaller. Okay, now let's go over some examples. So this is our first example. It asks us, which is the bigger number, -5 or -2? Our first step should be to identify where they are on the number line. So on the number line, I have -5 and -2. Since we're told that if we move closer to the right-hand side, our number gets bigger, -2 would be the bigger number because -2 is closer to the right-hand side than -5 is, right? So hence -2 is the bigger number because it is closer to the right-hand side. Okay, now here's another example. It says to order these numbers from the smallest to the largest. Our first step should be to identify where they are on the number line. So I have -6, 0, and 7 on the number line. Since it says to order from smallest to biggest, I'm just going to focus on the smallest number first. Since the closer your number is to the left-hand side, the smaller it is. Since -6 is the closest number to the left-hand side here, I'm going to say -6 is my smallest number. Then I have 0 as my second smallest number, and then I finally have 7 as my least smallest number. So since it's the least smallest number, 7 would be my largest number because it's the closest to the right-hand side instead. So I would order these numbers as -6, 0, and 7 from smallest to biggest. Okay, let's go for another example. Here I have -3, 3, and -5. Let's find them on the number line. So I found them on the number line. If I'm ordering these from smallest to biggest again, the number furthest to the left is my smallest, hence -5 is my smallest number, followed by -3, finally followed by 3. So 3 is my least smallest number because it is my biggest number because it is the closest number I have circled to the right-hand side. Okay, now here I have a number line, and I'm asked to write each set of number in order from smallest to largest. So these are my numbers. Looking at my numbers here of -5, 3, -7, and 1, -7 is the closest number to the left-hand side, so it's my smallest number. So I'm going to write -7 first. Then I'll write -5, then 1. Then I'll write 3 as my last number because 3 is my biggest number, and I just ordered from smallest to largest. Now moving on to B, my smallest number is going to be -9 because it is the closest number to the left-hand side. Then my second smallest number would be -4. And finally -3, 0, and then 1. Looking at example C, my smallest number should be -8 because -8 is closer to the left-hand side than, let's say, -4.5 would be. So I'm going to start with -8 as my smallest number, followed by -4.5, then -4, and then finally -2. Now looking at D, my smallest number is going to be -1.5 because -1.5 would be somewhere here. And then the second smallest would be -1, right? Because -1.5 is closer to the left-hand side. It's my smallest number. Then I have -1, followed by -0.5. Then I'm going to have 0.5, 0.5. And then 3 would be my largest number because it is the closest number to the right-hand side instead. And that pretty much sums up ordering and comparing integers. or numbers that are positive and negative.